Team Chunk. 2 minutes. 0 touches.
Now Lacey was absolutely ass.
0 shots on goal.
Lacey, I don't know what Lacey was thinking.
Lacey, I will say this, bro. Lacey is awkwardly athletic.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that, but the only thing athletic he did was that backflip when he attempted the bicycle kick. That's the only athletic thing I've seen him do. But the follow-up when he tried to shoot, nope. Hold on.
Okay.
The most unathletic. Once you know when someone's just so unathletic, but it hurts your soul. It hurts my soul just seeing somebody just so unathletic.
But the ball was on the ground, dude.
Oh my god. It hurts, man.
Neymar could do this.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus. You're unathletic.